Is this good lighting? Because I can't tell.
Angel, please. Oh no, please stay with me. Oh why? Oh angel, please. Oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start, I just want to say my lighting may suck right now. My ring light is like so up there that like it's not directly in front of me, so I can't tell if this is good lighting or not. I've been trying to work on it, so if you have an idea of how to shorten my ring light, let me know. If you read from the title, this is going to be a very exciting video because I have never had this subscription before, and I was online and just saw an ad for FabFitFun that you can get $10 off your first box. So I just decided to do it because why not? So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription service, and instead of it being monthly, it's a seasonal thing. So you get a box every fall, winter, spring, or summer. And unlike Ipsy, which I have, or like Birchbox, it's tailored to products not just for beauty. So there's like fitness, like health, beauty, fashion, jewelry, all things like that. And so I thought it was really cool because I have Ipsy and that's just a subscription for beauty, but this is all tailored to different products for different varieties of things. So I thought it was really cool. So I joined before the summer box came out. So I have the summer box. So this is what the box looks like for summer. It just says FabFitFun. It's a really pretty box. It has flowers all over it. So I'm just going to open this up and show you guys what I got in it. So there are some options for products that you can customize. They give you a few options of a few different things and you get to choose out of the options they gave you, and then other products are just mystery that come in every single box. So I will let you guys know the products that I like customized myself. So when you open it up, you first see just a FabFitFun certificate. This is a code for $10 off your first FabFitFun box. So I will leave this code down below for any of you guys that want a FabFitFun box. So yeah. And then the next thing that I see is a 50% off your first 2 deliveries for HelloFresh. And I have seen HelloFresh in so many different videos and I've always wanted to try it, so maybe I will try it now. And then the last like paper thing is the FabFitFun magazine. So in here it just tells you exactly what comes in the box and their prices and stuff. So the first thing that I see is the pretty big thing in here, and this is a towel. So this is a 59-inch towel. It's like kind of a tapestry kind of design, and this is one of the options that I customized. So this retails for $50. A really nice towel, and it's just, I don't know, I like it. So next thing that I see in this box is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day. This is a rose spray, so it's just a hydrating rose facial spray. So if you're feeling hot or dull throughout the day, you could just spritz this on your face and just feel refreshed. And I love facial sprays. I literally have like so many of them because I just love carrying them in my bag on a hot day, and I could just make myself feel refreshed. And they're also really good for amusement park days, just saying. So this is from Grace and Stella, and this actually retails for $25.95. So in the magazine it says, craving a midday refresher, just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face, which very dry skin, so this is going to be very good. So this is what it looks like. Don't mind my nails. I haven't done them yet. The next thing that I see is the Coola Makeup Setting Spray with SPF 30. So I actually have received this at Generation Beauty and Creator Day, so I have 2 of them. I received one at Generation Beauty, and then Coola was kind enough to send me another one. So this may pop up in a giveaway, who knows. But this is cruelty-free, vegan, recyclable, and it's water and sweat resistant, and it's also farm to face. I don't know what exactly that means, But it says a simple spritz of our weightless matte finish mist protects your face from damaging UVA and UVB rays while helping to keep your makeup looking fresh all day. So instead of just protecting you from the UV rays from the sun, they also have things in their products that protect you from like screens. So if you're on your phone a lot, which I am, it also protects you from the harmful radiation from that too. I think that's what it means. That's what they said. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. And this retails for $36. So I thought that was really cool that you got it in the box. So the next thing that I see is an exfoliating foot mask. So you can exfoliate, polish, and smooth and soothe. So this is from the brand Wish. So it's coconut milk and verbena. So it's supposed to intense, hydrate, and soothe and soften. So I've never used an exfoliating foot mask before, so I'm actually really excited to try this. So it's dedicated to the discovery of natural ingredients which enable intelligent choices for your skin. Welcome to a gentle new world. That's actually really cool. So I'm going to open it up for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I like the gold packaging, it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm actually excited to try this. I've never tried one before, and this retails for $32. So wow, this is a very expensive box. And the next thing that I see is from Generation Clay, and this is their ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. So I've never tried anything from Generation Clay before, so I'm actually pretty excited to use it. It's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture your skin. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that I have very dull skin, so I'm excited to use this and brighten it up. And it actually has dates and plum in it, so I thought that was really cool. And this retails for $39, so it's pretty cool. I keep saying cool a lot, like I need to expand my vocabulary. The next thing that I see is from the brand Invisibobble. I think that's what it's called, and these are creaseless hair ties. So basically, let's take one out for you guys. I like that they come in the clear and nude shades because right now I have like blue and green. But this is what they look like, and they expand, and I know that when you use them, they can stretch out a lot, but you just put them in warm water and they shrink back down to this size. So basically, they're supposed to not crease your hair, and every time I put my hair like up in a ponytail with a regular scrunchie, I always get creases and like my hair just stays in a puff even when I take it down. It's just so weird. So I'm excited to have more of these because these are amazing. Retail for $16, which is a steal because you get 6 of them in a pack. And the next thing that I see is a mystery choice. So it comes in this little bag with a little mystery choice sign. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser, which I really need because I wear makeup all the freaking time and my pores are just filled with makeup and dirt. So this has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So it's supposed to dissolve your impurities, eliminate excess oil, help refine the appearance of pores. Wow, I'm actually really excited. It says, send pores to the shrink. Take control of unsightly pores with ingredients that won't strip the skin. Exfoliate with the power of salicylic acid to remove dead skin cells. Purify with tea tree oil for a smooth, clear complexion. And unclog pores with white willow bark to refine appearance. Keep your pores clean and grime-free. This is what it looks like, and it goes from blue to gray. I'm really excited to try this. I have so much skincare. I love keeping my skin clean and just taking care of it, so I have a full drawer dedicated to just cleansers, so I'm really excited. So it doesn't give me an exact price point, but it does say in the magazine that the mystery item is $24 and plus, so it could be more expensive than $24 or just $24 flat. So there's 2 more items in here, and these are the items that were also customizable, just like the towel. So they gave you a few options of a few different products that you could choose from. So I chose these. So the second to last thing in this box is silicone wine glasses from Odim, I think that's how you say it. It comes in this little drawstring bag, and it's like a baby pink color, and it says what a pair on it. The retail price of these is $25. So let's open it up and see them. I also like that they're silicone because me and my sister, we are terrible with keeping glasses. So these are what the wine glasses look like, and they're so cool. I also feel like I'm gonna spill this way more because it's so squish-like. But yeah, so I'm excited to actually like have cups that I won't break. But they're also baby pink, which is so cute, and I love that there's two of them because I like having wine nights with my sister. I normally just drink coffee, but yeah, so I'm really excited about these, and again, these were a customizable choice. Last but not least is actually, I think, the biggest thing compared to the towel, but this is, I think, from the brand Exo Sienna, so it is a felt message board. There's a bunch of symbols and letters in here, and then there's also the board, which I find really cute. I'm just gonna put this behind my bed and just decorate it with. I don't know what I'm gonna put on it yet, so if you guys have any suggestions on what I should put on here, let me know in the comments below. But I'm actually really excited about this. I'm in the process of decorating my room more than I already have. So the message board retails for $35, which is insane. But yeah, so that was every single thing in my summer FabFitFun box. I didn't know if I wanted to continue this subscription before I got the box, but now that I'm seeing the amount of things that come in this box and the prices, and just you get so much for your money. They're paying $49.99 for every box, and I just think it's completely worth it, and I will be continuing my subscription, so it's just a fun thing to receive every so often, every season. But yeah, so that was every single thing in my FabFitFun box, and I'm so excited to use all these products. I also will link the code down below for you guys to get 10% off your first box. I'm not too sure if it's a one-use only or not, but I will put it in the description, and if whoever wants to use it, go ahead. But yeah, so I am so excited for this box and my future boxes, and I really recommend it to anybody that wants to try it. But yeah, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.